There are a lot of contractions in English, and they are necessary to learn. We usually use contractions to take two words and combine them together. They can also be used to shorten a word, to make it flow when speaking. They are used in English speech and writing. Contractions make speaking sound more fluid, and they make speaking and writing have a more informal tone. Let's take a look at the most commonly used contractions and see how to use them in a sentence so you can practice them with me. Let's get started. Could've, could've. Could've means could have. We could've gone yesterday, but we didn't. We could've gone yesterday, but we didn't. It's. It's means it has or it is. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. Wouldn't. Wouldn't means would not. I wouldn't have known if you didn't tell me. I wouldn't have known if you didn't tell me. Hasn't. Hasn't means has not. He hasn't contacted me yet. He hasn't contacted me yet. I'm means I am. I'm leaving in 15 minutes. I'm leaving in 15 minutes. Everyone's. Everyone's means everyone has or everyone is. Everyone's waiting for you to arrive. Everyone's waiting for you to arrive. Couldn't have. Couldn't have means could not have. I couldn't have gone even if I wanted to. I couldn't have gone even if I wanted to. Do you like the way I teach English? If you do, please join my Patreon at patreon.com/blabbinit. I have so many useful resources there so that you can learn English quickly. If you join my Patreon, you will have access to digital downloads, shoutouts, and exclusive content. I also provide live chat sessions for members only. In these chat sessions, I will provide you with exercises and dialogues for you to practice directly with me. There will also be a place for you to ask me Cómo se dice en inglés. You will also receive all of the texts to all of the videos that I upload on Blabbernet. I will also include the audio files for you. So check it out and become a member now. Aren't. Aren't. Aren't means are not. Aren't you going to start cooking? Aren't you going to start cooking? Gotta. Gotta. Gotta means got to. I gotta hurry up and finish this. I gotta hurry up and finish this. Waddle. Waddle. Waddle means what will. What'll happen if the plan fails? What'll happen if the plan fails? He's. He's. He's means he has or he is. He's got enough to do for today. He's got enough to do for today. Didn't. Didn't. Didn't means did not. I didn't know that it was a surprise. I didn't know that it was a surprise. I hope that you've learned some new contractions in this video. I will make another video for you to learn even more. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. You guys are the best. I'll see you next time. Ciao, my favorite Blabanitos!